Telecare Anywhere is a virtual telehealth vendor for workers' compensation. We work in 48 states across the nation. We see those patients virtually online. Our product's not just the care we provide the patients, but it's also the full workflow. It's the documentation, the compliance aspects. Make sure that you're following guideline-based medicine each and every visit. Our clients want specific workflows and specific strategies, and my job is to connect what we're capable of doing with what they need. We were using a mix of products and services and a few things that we developed ourselves, like APIs, patient portals, and it was all just manual processes. Documents were generated by hand, filled out by hand. Emails were a primary mode of communication. We connected all those pieces together using platforms like Zapier or Microsoft Power Automate, and we had to bring in a lot of developers to do this kind of work. It became expensive, it became time consuming, and it really started chipping away at our main goal of being able to be a customizable workflow and program for each one of our clients. We didn't have one standardized process, we didn't have one standardized workflow. Just making minute changes to every single need of our clients just became so overwhelming. The most attractive part of Streamline was the ability to think beyond those individual tools and those individual webhooks and the things that we had to connect all those pieces together and have one centralized platform, especially no-code platform, where we could tie all those pieces together in a way that made sense for our clients and made sense for our company. The big thing for our company is providing guideline-based care. Being able to use AI to evaluate a patient before they're even seen. It doesn't take the place of a doctor. It allows the doctor to provide better care because they have all the information right up front. But then there's steps in between now that we can do, which we weren't ever able to do. We can have AI, securely look at this information, provide focused exam information to the doctor saying, hey, here's what you need to look out for based off the subjective complaints. We can generate documentation before the patient's even seen by the doctor so that the doctor has all the information they need right on the patient profile. And then we pass that on to the doctor. They see the patient. That visit data is then saved for next visits and any follow-up visits. It allows the doctor to provide patient care effectively, efficiently, in a very fast-paced environment. We're trying to figure out how to integrate different regulations state by state, not only healthcare, but workers' compensation care, which is like a whole different element of healthcare. There's different documentation that's needed, there's different guidelines, things like that can all be built into this system using conditional logic. We're able to make sure our doctors keep on track with what they're doing, make sure that all the documentation that we need is there, is accessible every single time. It's been very helpful for us to be able to have one streamlined workflow, for lack of a better word, keeps everything in place and that we can make sure that our doctors are doing exactly what they need to be doing every single visit. When I heard that Streamline was going to provide the ability to take data sets or data points, you can get pretty complex with the prompts, incredible information. If it's publicly available, you can have it at your fingertips right during the workflow. The benefits of using Streamline for this system, the administrative burden has been lessened. We don't have to worry as much about regulatory compliance. And since all of our data is being managed properly, we're basically audit ready at any moment's notice with Streamline, which has been awesome for us. In the future, we're focused on embedding more clinical guidance into our workflows for our doctors to have basically all of the information they need right at their fingertips. Being able to collect patient data up front, evaluate that data instantly using, AI tools, publicly available, medical guidance and guidelines state by state. We can bring all that information to the forefront. The journey that we're on, I think that's really what we want to do with the software moving forward. When I evaluate a software, I guess I try to think, is it evolving, but also is it evolving in the right direction? And with Streamline, I really think that the opportunities are endless.